I found a dead bird.
We need a shovel, guys. We want to bury the
Okay, let's just throw it across the street. That's a burial, right?
No, run over it.
Get the cat or something.
No.
Cat will eat it. I know my cat will eat it.
No. You eat it.
Hell no.
Okay, that's what we try to bury
It
it.
probably has rabies.
No, Beauty was in these trees. He was like right on these trees, and Beauty came in.
Who gives a dang on care?
So we got to bury him either over there.
How come she quiet?
Maribel?
No,
Beauty?
her cat.
Maribel's cat?
Stupid cat.
Yeah, so nobody will see it.
Right here, so we need
No evidence! I mean, fuck. I have a gun, no,
Get a knife.
fuck, what's it?
Evidence.
A hammer. Knife is. We're supposed to.
I can get my hand inside my house.
Look at it.
Really? Smash
I
it.
know, we just stick it to our cats and feed it to them.
Oh, we wanted to do.
We're gonna go get the hammer. Alright, go get a hammer.
The blood don't come out.
I don't give a shit.
That's good. That's good.
Should I go get it?
Learn something every day, kids. You wink.
We do want something that y'all still got issues.
Hey, Diallo!
I got many issues.
Yeah, you got crazy issues, anger issues, ugly issues,
Your mama's
stinky
issues.
Your face got issues.
Your family got issues.
Well, he got a knife. Don't make
Yo, stab the bird!
No, never said we were going to bury you.
I know I would.
You gonna make it go better, so don't go there.
Read my phone.
Why would you bury all that?
It say, Woody needs help.
Like your face.
Like your dress.
Your face needs help with that makeup.
I don't wear makeup.
No, bury it right here. Where the white stuff is.
Help! Where the white stuff is. Brown, 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 brown.
Right.
If you don't get that joke, then too bad, so sad. Suck my dick.
35 minutes.
Fuck me, Jimmy.
With the hammer.
What the hell?
Huh?
What'd you say?
Condom?
Condom? You wanna see the condom?
Wait, you want to go to my house?
To go play game?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Lego Batman thing?
Yeah.
Did you finish the first one when I was gone?
I finished the first one.
Damn it.
Now the second one we have to finish.
Okay.
Then we're going to the original Minecraft.
The second one is like really difficult for me because
It's not really that difficult to me.
well, for me, I never finished the game
I have.
because I was so confused about the storyline and I didn't know where to go.
No, it's easy.
I kept repeating itself. I think my game. I don't know.
Yeah, you can in your charger plug so I can use it.
Got a blast. Oh.
Hi, kid. You want some drugs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all. I didn't record that. Do it again.
Yeah, well, why
Oh yeah. I love Nutella. Hey guys, just for fun, you're welcome.
You said you wanted a new armchair. It's not even an arm. Sometimes names can be confusing. At Overstock, our name makes
What?
we sell Overstock goods.
No, I didn't eat.
Actually, everything you see here. Overstock
Yes, it
has
is.
luxury furniture and the latest in home trends. So check us out and see for yourself. Overstock.com for quality.
Got a blast. Dude. Fuck you, Jerry.
Ultrasonic sound on one end and ultraviolet light on the other. Two-way anti-bugger.
I'm gonna make a part 2 because I have too much stuff in my hand. Okay, bye.